In this video, we are setting up the Happy Planner, Happy Plans planner for 2022, and I'm going to be using this planner as a daily gratitude journal. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Happy Planner as a daily gratitude journal. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Before you get started, I want to tell you 3 things that you'll need. Obviously, a planner. This is the one that we are going to set up. And 2 more things. You're going to want some colored pens. I like to use colored pens in my planner, and also some stickers. This planner has its own matching sticker book called Happy Plans. So that'll be fun because the stickers are going to match the dashboards in the planner, but you can use any stickers that you want. I like to use stickers for gratitude journaling because if you get some with quotes or even just colors that you like or pictures of things that make you happy that you're grateful for, they can be really good prompts to help you get some ideas for things that you should journal about in your gratitude journal. Okay, I have my supplies of a planner, some colored pens. I like to do my journaling with colored pens because I can, it's fun. And some stickers that you like. It can be any kind of stickers, but this planner has matching stickers, so that's what I'm starting out with. And I just, they're just helpful. Let's open this up, take off this packaging. And I wanted this one for a gratitude planner because it says right on the cover, gratitude changes everything. Gratitude is like the first step in helping you to just be positive and to manifest the kind of life that you want to have. So it's always a good thing. There's really no downside to it, and it gives you a topic for your journaling if you feel like journaling is fun and something you want to do to help keep your mindset on track. I'm just now looking at this. It's so cute. It has like a pastel rainbow theme to it. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and skip to the very first week and open it up. It looks like the weeks are kind of a neutral layout. Not layout, like a neutral colors, except it does have one little rainbow stripe right there. But the rest of it is all black and white. Oh, this is a little rainbow too, where it says this week's top priority. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it this way so that's easier to write on. And here's what I'm doing as far as setup. And I want you to think about this for yours. You can use any kind of different layout, but I like the vertical layout with the 3 boxes for gratitude journaling because it gives me an assignment of this day, Monday, December 27th, to write 3 things to be grateful for. And that just makes it so easy, and it literally takes a minute. So it's something positive you can do, a journaling activity to get your mindset right. And it literally could take you 1 minute, however long it takes to write 3 things. Also, it's fun. I like to use colored pens, and you can use the same colored pens, different colored pens, rainbow, you can use black, anything, totally personal preference. I like to use colors because they're fun. I enjoy colors. Now, as far as stickers go, you don't have to use any stickers for your gratitude journaling at all. However, stickers make it even more fun. So you can use them for prompts. Let's see, let's try to find one that's like a good prompt. Like these are all, it's a good day to have a good day, dream big and work hard. You are capable of amazing things. These are all good affirmations. Now this sticker book is made for actual planning, so it does have like functional planning stickers in it. So if you're using that planner for planning, the sticker book's really good for it. I bought it because it matches, and I love matchy. But let's see if we can find something to prompt us. You can always use the boxes too, just to make your planner colorful. Oh my gosh, I love this motto. Done is better than perfect. This helps me to remember not to procrastinate or try to be perfect. done is better than perfect. That doesn't really have to do with gratitude journaling, but I like it. And it's about positivity and getting things done. So that's going in mine. So here's what I'm going to do. As far as the actual gratitude items that I'm writing in this planner, I'm going to do 3 different things. Here's how I'm going to do it. The first row will be something I'm grateful for in the past. So something that's already happened, something I already have that I'm grateful for. Then the middle row is going to be something I'm grateful for in the present, something I have now, something that's going on currently that I'm grateful for. And then the last row is going to be future, something I want to happen in the future that I'm grateful for when it happens, but I'm going to write it as though it has already happened. And it just helps to get you focused on a positive future, being and really feeling that gratitude. So let me think, and then I'm going to go ahead and write in my 3 things. So don't make it complicated, make it easy on yourself. I'm going to say grateful that we have been in our home for almost 6 years now. And it's awesome. For almost 6 years. So just think of something that you're grateful for in the past. Keep it simple. This is all about mindset and the practice. You will get better at it when you make this a daily practice. So whenever you sit down, you're like, okay, what am I grateful for? Ideas will start to come with you, come to you as you practice doing it. So something in the present. Thankful to have time to plan and make videos. Now, in the future, something you're grateful for that you want to happen in the future. Something that is happening that I'm excited about is grateful for my craft room makeover, which is coming very soon. Yay. So it can be just that simple. You can also find a sticker to prompt you. Like I saw this one that just made me think of something to be grateful for. Well, here's another one, rest and recharge, when you have opportunity to do that, when you're planning something fun. Those are good prompts. And then there was one that said like date night, oh, girls night out. Like those are good things to be thankful for if you have some fun with friends. Ooh, payday is good to be grateful for, right? Ooh, having a day off, that's good to be grateful for. So let's see. These are your, like seeing progress in something, positive changes you're seeing. Those are all things. So just grab some stickers. I promise you'll find some stickers in every sticker book that will give you ideas for things to be grateful for. So use your stickers as a tool to help you think of things that you can be grateful for, because after a while, it's the same things you think of over and over, right? So you need some prompts to help you get started. So have fun with it. Get a planner, decide that you're doing some gratitude journaling, think about doing past, present, and future, get some colored pens, get some fun stickers, and create your gratitude journal. If you need more resources for ideas for gratitude journaling and positivity, I have 3 books that I can recommend to help you with those topics. The first one is obviously The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This one, and she has a newer one, The Greatest Secret. But in this book, she talks a lot about gratitude journaling and how it just helps you on your path to manifesting the kind of life that you want to have. The second book, this book I actually talk about inside the journaling class, is called The Goddess of Happiness. It's all about positivity, how to be happy, and like practices that you need to remember to do in daily life, things that sometimes we forget. those are all in that book. And the third one is this one, Plan a Happy Life by Stephanie Fleming. I actually haven't even, I think I've read maybe the first chapter, but she talks all about positivity, how to plan a happy life in her book. I have all three of those in my Amazon shop, so there will be a link to that in the description, and a couple other books that I like for planning and gratitude and positivity. Leave a comment down below and tell me one thing that you are grateful for today. So if that was fun for you to set up a gratitude journal and start using it, consider joining me for a class in 2022 of creative journaling, and we will have 12 different months of all different topics to do creative journaling and gratitude journaling. It's super fun. I'm actually loving putting the class together for you, and if that sounds like something fun that you would enjoy doing, check it out in the Planner School. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!